Hello everybody, my name is Hello. Welcome to this video series where we're solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder and today we have a very easy question in front of us. The problem number is 200B. It's called drinks and let's just read through this problem. They say Vasya loves orange juice very much, so any food and drink in his kitchen contains orange juice. Okay, so not completely, but there is a fraction of orange juice present and that is given by a percentage pi. Okay, and there are n such drinks in his fridge. Our problem basically is to calculate how much orange juice is there in total as a fraction. Okay, so he took equal proportions of each of the n drinks. Equal proportions is something that is very important here. Okay, and then mix them. Then he wondered how much orange juice each cocktail, the cocktail has, right? We have to find out the volume fraction of the orange juice in the final drink, and I think that is it, right? So let's say we have three in n is 3 here and we have 50%, 50% and 100%. The answer is 66.67, and 4 is 0, 25, 50, 75. The answer is 37.50. So I think you guys can kind of understand what is going on here. All we are saying is you will be given percentages, and since everything is equal proportion, we can just simply go ahead and find the average of these values to go ahead and tell the answer. Okay, so that's it. That's the problem. Let's go ahead and code this out, and let's take n as an input, and then let's go ahead and create a variable called total. Then let us go ahead and take the list input as well. List of map of int comma input dot rstrip dot split, and let's do for I in this lst. Let us go ahead and add to total I. Okay, if you guys don't know what this is, we're just taking a line of say space separated integers. We're removing the trailing space, splitting that, converting that into integers and putting that to a list. Okay, so now we have the total of the list. You guys can also do sum of list if you want to. That's an inbuilt Python function. That will be something like sum of lst. Okay, so that is up to you. Then to find out the average, all we need to do is go ahead and print this particular value, this total by what? By n. That's it. Yeah, so as you can see, it says failed, but this is the right answer as it is given to us. It considers up to 10 to the power minus 4 decimal places, so up to 4 places we can go ahead and as long as the answer is the same, it's going to be the same. Okay, so once this is done, let's just go ahead and copy this code and paste it so that I can show you guys what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and submit this code. Yeah, so it got accepted. So I hope you guys understood what we're doing here. The problem was very simple. We just needed to find the average because there were equal proportions of each of the n drinks, so it does not matter. We can just go ahead and find the average of this and then print it out, and everything was there in percentage, which also made it a lot easier to us. I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit that like button and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.